Today I'm going to discuss the most important poem is about Annie George. William Butler Yeats was born on 1865, an Irish nationalist, and he was educated in London and Dublin. He was interested in folklore and mythology. He won the Nobel Prizes for Literature in 1923. In this poem, William Butler says that it is very difficult to find a person in your life who truly loves you. He won't say that only God can love us for our inner beauty in this world. It is basically a conversation between a poet, Yeats, and a young beautiful girl named Annie George. The poet tells her that if she finds a boy who is sad from her rejection, but it doesn't mean that he was a true lover of her. He could have been in love with her because of her golden hairs. After that, Anne George says that she will dye her hair in some other color. Then she will look less attractive and beautiful, may be able to find a true lover for herself. At the end, poem explained to her that previous night he had heard some religious man says that only God can love us for our inner beauty. Therefore, he means that only God can love us for our inner qualities and beauties. So, by these descriptions of the poem, we comes to know that how the poet have a conversation between a young beautiful girl who have a yellow color beautiful hairs, and he want to explain her if she says that she someone is going to her love like for her inner beauty, so it is wrong. Nobody in this world who is able to love her for our inner beauty. Only God can do this. Only God can love us for our inner qualities and beauties. The man is who is in love with you, he is definitely in love with your golden hairs. He is definitely in love with your beautiful eyes, not with your beautiful qualities you have by the God, like inner qualities, like your behavior, your love, your careness, your hobbies, and all these things. Nobody wants to love for your inner qualities and beauty. Everybody wants to love you for your outlooks, like yellow hairs, golden yellow hairs, your beautiful eyes. So there is a conversation between a poet and a young beautiful girl. And yet also there we have some literary devices, like there is a rhyming scheme like ABC, BDB. Anaphora. There is a literary device of anaphora. There is repeated use of the words at the beginning of the two lines. Alliteration. There is a alliteration in the lines like he had yellow, yours yellow hairs. So he had is also a part of a alliteration, and yellow hairs, your yellow hairs is also a part of a alliteration. The theme of the poem. In this poem, the poet shows the external love of a lover for a woman, beauties like her yellow hairs. The poet says that only God can love us for your inner beauty. The man who is rejected by you, he can't be your, he may be attracted by your golden hairs. He may be attracted by your beautiful eyes and all that things. Nobody loves you, only God can loves you for your inner beauties and qualities. Here we have the conclusion of the poem. There is a conversation between the poet Yeats and a young beautiful girl in this poem. The poet says that it is if she finds someone who became sad after her rejection of the love, then it doesn't mean that he is true lover of her. The lover can attracted by beautiful yellow hairs and all that things, the beautiful outlooks of her. So here the we have a conversation between the poet and between a young beautiful girl, and we come to the conclusion that only God can love us for our inner qualities and beauties. I hope you like this video, which is very important according to your examination point of views. And this kind of literary devices I have mentioned here, and the other point of the theme is also very important. So please learn and write in the proper language. Don't do the grammatical errors, and try to write in a beautiful handwriting, which will helps you to gain the maximum marks your examination. And the points I have mentioned, don't skip any point. You have to learn all the points. If you skip any kind of points from this structure of the answer, you will not get 5 out of 5. You will definitely get 5 out of 4. So please hard work, and by this hard work you will get the maximum marks in your examination, and which will be helpful for increasing your percentage of the total marks.